In this video, I'm going to talk about how to turn on or off the vibration on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro and Pro Max and how we can do it. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is you have to go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here, you have to scroll it down all the way down and navigate to the sound and haptics. Now from here, you have to tap on the ringtone over here. And first of all, make sure that you set into the default one over here and also go to the haptics. And also either you have to keep this on the standard or the default one, both are fine, or make sure that you are not kept this on the none. So if it's on the none, the vibration will not be there. So make sure that you have to set this to any of these and you just need to go back over here. And also the next one is all about you have to tap on the haptics and we have all these four options. Whether it's first one, it's all about always play. Another one is play in silent mode and don't play in the silent mode and never play. Try to keep this on always play over here. But you just need to go back over here, and from here what you need to do is you have to go over here at the top and you have to tap on the accessibility. Now from here you have to scroll it down and tap on the touch, and from here you have to scroll it down and there is an option called the vibration, so make sure that also turn it on. These are the reasons, or these are the things that you need to do in order to enable the vibrations perfectly whenever a phone rings on your iPhone. And also you can also disable and enable as well as per your need, and this is how we can do it. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.